Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your car's air filter. This is a simple work. This is the car air filter box. Let me show you how to clean it. You can gently open the clips and lift the air filter box cover to remove the air filter. Now we can take out the air filter and inspect it. It looks like mine can run more kilometers. It only need to be cleaned to remove the dust particles. Now let's get it started. In my case, there is not a lot of dust, so this is enough. I always try to show you how to do the task myself. If you see anything I do wrong, please comment on the video. I welcome all criticism and blessings. If you are using an air blower, blow from inside to outside. Now everything is good, the cleaning is finished, and I closed the air filter cover. Make sure the cover fits properly on the box, otherwise it may not work properly. Dust can get inside. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.